Today we'll discuss about pharmaceutical development, technology transfer, and formulation compliance. Okay. Coming to myself, I'm Kumar. I'm a pharmaceutical scientist. My qualification is M.Pharmacy in pharmaceutical technology. I have experience around 11 plus years, 5 years in formulation R&D and 6 plus years in formulation technology transfer. I have worked on ANDAs, generic formulations, and I've developed 4 products I've involved completely. And technology transfer, around 60 plus products I've submitted and filed. And complex generics, new chemical entities, first to file products, around 12 products I've involved. And the life-saving molecules for COVID treatment, it's around 4 products. During pandemic condition, that means quick approval products we have done. Complete development to stability loading, full-fledged involvement in this particular 4 products. So my hands of expertise on antiretrovirals. Generally, we have to be administered in fixed dose combination forms, and multiple APIs we have to use to synergize its effect, pharmacological effect. So I have worked on Torrent Research Center, Strides Acro Labs, and Dr. Reddy's Labs. Currently, I'm working in one of the good MNCs in Hyderabad. Okay, this session contains what should be covered in this. Let's discuss one by one. First, introduction of pharmaceutical industry. What is the pharmaceutical industry? What are the basic guidelines we have to follow? How are the regulatory bodies control this pharmaceutical industries? Like this, a small introduction about pharmaceutical industry, and after that, inventory, discovery, and development phenomenon of the drug products we'll discuss. Then third, basic requirements of the drug product. What are the requirements needs to be fulfilled by the drug product? The next, various cross-functional departments in the industry and new product proposal. How this new product proposal done by the higher management in any industry. Then product lifecycle management. Then formulation, manufacturing, execution systems. That means product behavior in various phases in drug industry. And formulation technology transfer, technology flow. That means critical material attributes versus critical process parameters versus critical quality attributes. Then pharmaceutical technology versus dosage forms. And now typical formula. Typical formula contains what? What is the Q and Q composition? What is the qualitative and quantitative composition of any formulation? Next, biopharmaceutical classification systems. Next, types of formulations in oral solid dosage forms. How many formulations are there in oral solids? Next, technology transfer of oral solids as well as oral liquids. Next, scale-up factors and critical operations. What are the scale-up factors is to be considered when scale change occurs. Next, validation procedures. How many validations are there in the industry? What are the basic guidelines? How to do the validation, like cleaning validation. In this validation procedure, I have to cover cleaning validation, analytical validation, and process validation. Then critical operating parameters for 21 CFR equipments. Most of the companies now using 21 CFR machinery only for easy approvals. Next, risk assessment and control strategies, investigation for root cause identification, and regulatory responses for the filed product. Next, first launch and day one launch of the product, commercial validation and production, regular manufacturing of the batches, and last but not least, very, very important topic, data integrity, data governance, and principles.